Hello and welcome to another episode of my Productivity Mastery series. And in this week's episode, I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can 10 times your productivity if you just follow these 5 tips. Now let's get straight into it with the first one, and that is to operate a policy of what goes on my calendar gets done. Now, the reality is that your calendar is far more important than your to-do list manager. If you're using a to-do list manager, the chances are the majority of the tasks in that to-do list is going to be menial tasks that are not really important in terms of your whole life. Your calendar is giving you the reality of what's going on in your life. It's telling you how much time you have available. So this is the tool, the big productivity tool out there. Your calendar is the number 1 tool because that's where you can organize what you are going to do each day, and it's a good record of where you are spending a lot of your time. So if you're spending a lot of time on those menial, trivial tasks, then you know, and you will know deep down, that you're not moving forward on your goals and the things that are truly important to you. So make sure what goes on your calendar gets done. Now, when I say that, by the way, that you can give yourself permission to reschedule things, but not at the expense of just coming in and saying, oh, I'm not in the mood to do that, I'm going to reschedule it. No, that's not how it works. There are times, though, where something else more important will come up and you do need to reschedule something, but you're meant to be using that as an excuse not to do something. Let's move on to number 2 now, which is plan your day the day before. Now, I keep saying this to everybody I'm coaching. I give this tip to pretty much all the videos that I've done out there. If you're planning the day before, that means that when you wake up the next day, you start with those big things. You start sprinting, not just running, you start sprinting, because you know exactly what you need to start with and you know exactly what you're going to do. You're not wasting the best hours of the day when your mind is at its freshest, most creative and most effective, trying to decide what to do. That's just such a waste of opportunity. Plan it the day before. And let me be honest with you here, it only takes 10 minutes to decide what you want to get done the next day. It doesn't take an hour, it doesn't take 2 hours, it just takes 10 minutes. And the reality is, if you cannot find 10 minutes at the end of the day, then you've got really big time management issues. So start giving that 10 to 15 minutes at the end of the day to decide what you're going to do the next day. What are your objective tasks? What are your most important tasks? And make sure they're on a list, make sure they're on your calendar so that you have the time to make them happen. Let's move on to number 3, which is operate the 2+8 prioritization system. Now, this is a system that I created many years ago and have been using it for a very long time. Essentially, the 2+8 prioritization system is you get to do 2 really important objective tasks. These are like the must-do tasks today, and that whatever happens, those 2 tasks are going to get done. And then 8 other tasks that you really would like to get done today, but it wouldn't be the end of the world if you didn't do it. Now, the reason why it's just 10 tasks in total is simply because throughout the day you are going to be distracted, you're going to be interrupted, there's going to be emergencies that you haven't foreseen. All this is going to get thrown at you. If you're trying to do 20 to 30 things each day, you are going to feel stressed out, overwhelmed and overworked because you're never going to get that many tasks done per day. Strip it right down to the 10 most essential tasks that have to get done. 2 objective tasks that really will be done no matter what. You will drag your body over that finish line to make sure you get done. But that's the 2+8 prioritization system. I've covered it a lot in all of these videos, and I will put links to them in the show notes below so you can review the 2+8 prioritization system. And over on my website, www.carlpullein.com, you can download the 2+8 prioritization system worksheet, which will help you and explain it in more detail. Number 4, block time on your calendar for your focused work. Now, this is something that all the amazingly productive, successful people you know do every single day. They block time on their calendar to get on with that focused work. Now, if you cannot do that, if you find yourself making excuses about the reasons why you have to be always available for your boss, always available for your customers, you are never ever going to be successful. It's end of story. I have never found anyone successful who isn't blocking time on their calendar to get on with those big, important projects. If you're not doing that, I'm telling you now, you will never ever be successful. You are basically destroying your chances of being successful by finding those excuses for not blocking time on your calendar. This is the number one most important thing that you do. It doesn't matter whether that's at 6 a.m. in the morning, 6 p.m. in the evening, or even at lunchtime, but you find that time every day, 1 to 2 hours for focused priority work, where you are not disturbed, where you're not looking at your phone, you're not checking your email, you are in the zone and you are focused. Do that for 1 month and you'll see your productivity explode in terms of what you get done, because you're focusing in on what's truly important. And the final one, and this is the one, another one that I really don't understand why people are not doing, is to do the weekly review. If you're not doing a weekly review, you are like a ship without a sail drifting on the ocean. You are going to be drifting from one place to the next and you're going to have no direction in your life. If you truly want to get on in life, if you truly want to be successful, if you really want to be productive, then you need to be doing that weekly review. You need to be assessing where you're at, what you're doing, what's important, what needs to be done. You need that big picture view. And keep in mind that the weekly review is not about doing, it's about reviewing. And you're reviewing where you've been, where you want to go, and you're reassessing about the best way to get there. The weekly review is a game changer when you start doing it every single week. It maximizes your productivity. It gives you a full idea of what you are doing on a weekly and a monthly basis. So make sure you're doing your weekly review. So those are the 5 things that you can do which will 10 times improve your productivity. What goes on your calendar gets done. Your calendar is your primary productivity tool. Plan your day the day before. Don't leave it till the morning. Make sure you're doing it the night before. Operate the 2+8 prioritization system, which is prioritizing in a realistic way so that you are making sure that every day you're getting 2 objective tasks done. And remember, if you do that every day, 7 days a week, that's 60 plus objective tasks that you're getting done every month. That will vastly improve your productivity. Number 4 is block time on your calendar so that you are doing focused work that's important to you and will drive you forward in your career, in your goals, in your objectives. And number 5, make sure you're doing a weekly review every week. You start skipping that and you will find your productivity will start nosediving incredibly fast. Well, that was a quick rush through. Thank you very much for watching this episode. It just remains for me now to wish you all a very, very productive week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now have I got something special to tell you about. The Time and Life Mastery version 3 course has launched. Now this course is transformative. It will transform your life. If you find that your life is drifting from one day to the next and that you feel that you're not actually achieving your goals, then this course is going to show you how to change that. It's going to show you how to identify what is truly important to you. It's going to show you how to find what it is you want out of life and then show you the steps that you need to take in order to get there. This course is amazing. The feedback I've got from versions 1 and version 2 have just been tremendous. It has helped so many people and I want this opportunity to tell you that it can do the same for you. I hope you will take a look at the course, have a go, take the course and start transforming your life today. This course will do that for you. Take a look, get yourself enrolled and hopefully I'll see you in the course.